If you just signed up for Riverside and you're looking at everything inside the platform, wondering where to start, don't worry, you don't need to learn every feature right away. The easiest way to get started is simply creating something. Because Riverside isn't only where you record, it can also help you edit that recording, turn it into clips, publish it, and plan everything you want to create next. So in this video, I'll walk you through the simplest way to get started and show you what your content workflow can look like from beginning to end in just 5 minutes. When you first join Riverside, you'll be invited to start a recording or begin editing content you already have. If you already recorded a video somewhere else, you can upload it and jump directly into the editing process. But if you're starting something new, I recommend beginning with your first recording because everything else will follow from there. From the dashboard, you can start a new recording and choose what you want to create. This could be a podcast interview, a solo video, a webinar, or really any type of video content. In fact, I record a lot of YouTube videos using Riverside. Once you created your session, Riverside will help you double check your camera input, your audio output, and your microphone to make sure that all of this is in order. And if you're recording with other people, you can also invite them to join remotely using this invite link right here. You can send the link to their email, or you can copy the link and then send it to them yourself through another platform like Slack or something. Once everyone is ready, you can start recording. Hit the record button at the bottom, and you're recording, ready to go. Riverside records high quality audio and video locally on each person's device. So the quality of your final recording isn't dependent on having a perfect internet connection. You can also record in-person content using Riverside's Mac app. I'll link a video up here with an entire walkthrough of that process. It's really awesome. Once the recording ends, you'll be taken back to your project in the Riverside dashboard. This is where you'll find the original recording along with everything Riverside has automatically started creating from it. This is a previous recording that I've already made. From here, you have two main places you can go. You can open the raw recording in the editor and you can start making changes yourself and get started right from here. Or you can come to the Made for You tab and see what Riverside has already created. Inside the Made for You tab, you may already have a complete magic episode to use, magic clips to get started with and share on social media, some alternative hooks to get started in the video, and some snapshots pulled directly from your recording. Riverside can also generate things like titles, show notes, summaries, goals, keywords, and other supporting content. So before you get started editing from scratch, it's worth looking through this section. And you're never locked into what it creates. You can take any of these results into the editor and continue customizing them yourself, which is exactly what we're going to do now. Inside the editor, you can trim your recording, change the layout, add captions, adjust your branding, and make all the normal changes you would expect from a traditional video editor. You'll also find Riverside's AI tools, which can help speed up some of the more repetitive parts of editing. In fact, I'll link a video talking about all of these AI tools right up here for you to check out. But you can remove filler words, shorten long pauses, you can clean up your audio, find sections that may not add much to the video with fine fluff, and handle other time-consuming edits without searching through the entire recording manually. You can also add motion graphics directly inside the editor. These can be used for things like animated titles, lower thirds, or visual callouts that help important moments stand out. You can start with a template and then customize its text and design to fit your video with Co-Creator. Co-Creator works like an AI assistant inside of Riverside, so you can ask it to help make changes, find moments in the recording, or create additional content from what you've already recorded. The important thing is that you still have control over the final edit. These tools are here to give you a faster starting point and handle some of the more repetitive work while you make the creative decisions. Now, once your content is ready, you don't have to download everything and move it between several different platforms just to get it in front of your audience. Riverside can help you publish your podcast to listening platforms and share your video content across social media. You can take the full episode, the clips Riverside created, or content you edited yourself and prepare it for the places where your audience is already watching or listening. You can also use the content planner to organize what comes next. This is where you can plan future recordings and live streams, schedule content and social media posts, or organize newsletters along with the rest of your workflow. That way, everything stays connected to the content you originally created. And that's the easiest way to get started with Riverside. Begin with your first recording, look through what Riverside creates for you, customize it in the editor, and then publish or schedule it when you're ready. Just start by creating something, and as you move through the process, you'll begin to see how the rest of the platform fits into your workflow. Because you didn't just sign up for a recording tool, you signed up for a place to plan, record, edit, and publish your content from beginning to end. Hopefully this video gave you a quick beginner's guide to Riverside. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this. And if you have any further questions regarding the Riverside platform, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them personally. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create.